Shenzhen. Sunribio Biotechnology Company Limited is a subsidiary of Sunritek Lighting Company Limited. Sunritek is one of the manufacturers for 6 years of LED grow lights in China, an OEM and ODM factory for many well-known brands in America and Europe. Sunritek owns over 14 patents on its LED grow lights design. It has diversified LED grow lights designed for commercial projects and hobby growers. The lights are DLC, ETL, and CE listed. Over 21 models are listed on DLC website, can help end users apply rebate from local utilities. With high efficacy, unique design, and quality structure, Sunritek LED grow lights have been widely and successfully used in retail markets and projects in the world. The R&D team has over 19 experienced engineers responsible for structure design, electrical engineering, driver development, lab testing, and certification standards. They never stop designing market-leading products and customized designs for customers. The 27,000 square foot Sunritek factory, creating 24,000 pieces, high-power lights per month. It has 8 production lines as well as automated machines, PPFD test machines, integrating spheres, and other necessary testing devices. Professional production facility and strict quality control make Sunritek lights withstand the test of time. As a reliable strategic partner, Sunritek can offer timely and satisfying local services for customers as it has set offices in USA, Canada, and Germany. Find the right light for your cultivation here. You can enjoy the harvest and benefit from LED grow lights.